Selamat pagi murid. Hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Melayu. Murid-murid, hari ini hari apa? Ya betul, hari ini hari Khamis. Tarikh hari ini adalah 19 hari bulan Ogos 2021. Okay children, so before we start our revision about today's ejaan, so children, you make sure finish your buku tulisan page number 11 and also 12. Okay, so let's go to today's ejaan. Okay, so now let's start our revision. Okay, make sure you should write the day and date and also ejaan. Okay, so let's revision nombor 1. Memandu. Memandu. M-E me, M-A-N man. Meman, D-U-D. Memandu. Nombor 2. Mendayung. M-E-N men, D-A-Da, menda, Y-U-N-G, yung. Mendayung. Nombor 3. Sampan. S-A-M, sam. P-A-N, pan. Sampan. Nombor 4. Bapa memandu kereta. Bapa memandu kereta. Okay, children. So now we finish our today's revision. Now let's revision our next week ejaan. So minggu depan. That means next week ejaan. Let's do revision. So next week the day will be Khamis, and then the date will be 26th of 26th of August 2021. Ejaan. So what is the ejaan for next week? Nombor 1. Jururawat. Jururawat. J-U-J, R-U-R-U, Juru, R-A-Ra, Jurura, W-A-T-Wat, Jururawat. Nombor 2. Petani. P-E-P, T-A-Ta, peta, N-I-N-I, petani. Nombor 3. Doktor. D-O-K, dog. T-O-R, tor. Doktor. Nombor 4. Ibu saya seorang doktor. Ibu saya seorang doktor. Very good, children. So now let's go to next lesson. So now we're going to start today's lesson. So now let's get ready your Bahasa Melayu textbook. Children, please open page number 10 and make sure write the day and date. Today's page very easy for you to complete. It's a revision about unit 2 kenali kenderaan. Okay? So now let's read the instruction. Surih perkataan Yang betul. So you should trace the correct answer only. Okay. So now look at the first picture. What kenderaan is that? Yeah, it's a lorry. Very good. Nombor dua. What vehicle is that? Yeah, it's a kereta. Very good. Nombor tiga. Good. Kapal. Good job. And then the last one is? Yes, motorsikal. Good job, children. Now let's read the sentence together. Lori bergerak di udara darat. Which is the correct answer? And then trace the correct answer. Nombor dua. Bunyi kereta. Nino, Nino. Pon, pon. So which is the sound for kereta? And then trace the word. Okay, nombor tiga. Kapal bergerak di darat air. Yes, so where the kapal will move? Is it darat or air? Teacher don't know. So you trace the answer. Okay. And then nombor empat. Bunyi motosikal. Kring kring. Brum brum. So what is the sound for motosikal? Yes, I know you can identify the answer. Good job, children. Now let's teacher show you one example. Okay, now look at the number one. Lori bergerak di. So where the lorry move? Is it udara or darat? Very good. Darat is a correct answer. So darat is a correct answer, right? You only trace the darat. Okay, you only trace the darat. Okay, so children, please you should follow the dot. Okay, so teacher the one is a messy handwriting. You are 6 years old. You may follow the dot and then you may trace very well. Okay, so is it teacher want to trace the udara? Ten, no need, because the correct answer is darat. So darat, you trace the darat only. Udara, no need to trace. Okay, children? Very good. Okay, children, so now let's revision about the topic doer. Okay, so now, okay, what type of transportation will travel in this road? So the vehicle which is traveling by using the road, what we call kenderaan? Kenderaan di darat. Kenderaan di darat. So kenderaan di darat is a vehicle which is using the road and traveling. Okay, teacher can show you one example. It's a kereta. Kereta is a kenderaan di darat. Okay, nombor dua. Yes, kenderaan which is the vehicle traveling on the water. What we call? Kenderaan di air. Kenderaan di air. There are a lot of vehicle which is traveling in the water. On the water. Teacher give you one example. Sampan. Yes, sampan is a kenderaan di air. The last one is kenderaan. Very good. Kenderaan di udara. Kenderaan di udara. Yes, the vehicle only travel in the sky. So as usual, you all know aeroplane, kapal terbang. Kapal terbang. Okay, so now let's read together. Kenderaan di darat. Kenderaan di air. Kenderaan di udara. Very good, children. So now let's go to buku activity. Okay, so now children, please remember to write the day and date. Okay, so you may revise your textbook page number 9 to complete this page. Okay, so now let's read the instruction together. Tulis nama kenderaan mengikut jenis yang betul. Okay, so they already give you two types of movement, that means mode of transportation. Kenderaan di air, kenderaan di udara. Okay, so now let's read the words together. Ferry, ferry. Helicopter, helicopter. Sampan, sampan. Kapal terbang, kapal terbang. Balon udara panas, balon udara panas. Motorboat, motorboat. Okay, so now let's teacher give you two example. Okay, kenderaan di air. So which is the kenderaan di air? Which vehicle will go to kenderaan di air? Yes, ferry. So you see ferry. Ferry is a kenderaan di air. Good job. And then how about kenderaan di udara? Which vehicle will go to kenderaan di udara? Helicopter. You see helicopter only travel in the sky. So kenderaan di udara. Okay, so children, please make sure write smaller in the box. Okay, so teacher will hope you can give me the good handwriting. Now let's go to our worksheet. Okay, and then children make sure write the day and date. So here you may revise your textbook page number 8 to complete this page. But children, they are a mistake. Teacher wanna say so sorry, they are typing, they are technical error. In the box you can't see any words, isn't it? Yes, they are having a technical problem. It's okay children, please take your pencil and write down together with teacher. Okay, so first box, make sure write, okay, first box, the word teacher want you all to write helicopter. Please write helicopter inside the first box. Okay, so nombor 2, ferry. Okay, let's write ferry. Okay, nombor 3, basikal. Basikal. Nombor 4, sampan. Sampan. And then nombor 5, kapal terbang. Okay, so children, I know your books don't have the words right. So please follow the words the teacher already show you and then write down inside your book. Okay, so after that, you can complete this worksheet. Okay, so children, please look at the first picture. Okay, so what transportation is that? Ferry. Very good. So now let's take your ruler and draw to the ferry. Okay, very easy, right children? So sorry for the technical problem, children, so sorry. So help teacher to write inside the box can. Thank you children. Okay, now let's go to today's homework. Okay, today's homework very easy. Yes, so make sure write the day and date. Okay, padankan gambar dengan perkataan yang betul. Yes, so they already give you the pictures and also the name. So you should see the picture and draw the line by using your ruler to the correct answer. Okay, so now look at the first picture. What transportation is that? What vehicle is that? Beca, motorcycle, bus, or lorry? Yes, lorry is a correct answer. So make sure you use your ruler and draw line to lorry. Okay, so now let's go to next page. Make sure write the day and date. Okay, so let's read the instruction. Lukis dan warnakan satu kenderaan mengikut jenis yang betul. Okay, so children, how many vehicle you can draw? One. Okay, one. And also there are two tasks you should complete. First, you should draw one vehicle, only one. You see they already say satu. Satu is only one. So you should draw. You can, okay, teacher will draw line to the important word. Lukis. Lukis is draw. Number two, warnakan. Yes. So there are two tasks, which is you want to draw one vehicle. After that, you should color it. Okay. So now let's teacher show you one example. Okay. So first one is what? Kenderaan di air. Kenderaan di air, which is water transportation. Nombor dua, kenderaan di udara. Kenderaan di udara. Yes, so which is air transportation. Okay, so first teacher will show you one example. Okay, it's a air. Okay, kenderaan di air. Water transportation. Teacher want to draw sampan. Okay, teacher draw already, right? After that, what you should do? You must color. Okay, after draw, you should color. Okay, only one. Okay, only one vehicle only you can draw inside the box. Okay, now let's go to Linus. Okay, so now we're going to learn days in the week. We already learned in English, right? But we haven't learned in Bahasa Melayu. So let's learn today. Hari dalam seminggu. So how many days in a week? 7 days. Yeah. So here we go. Ahad. Ahad. A-R-H-A-D. Had. Ahad. Ahad is Sunday. Okay. Ahad. After that is what? Monday. Monday in Bahasa Melayu. Isnin. Isnin. I-S is N-I-N. Nin. Isnin. Ahad, Isnin. Then, what is the next day? After Isnin is what? Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday in Bahasa Melayu. Very good. Selasa. S-E, se. L-A, la. S-A, sa. Selasa. Ahad. Isnin. Selasa. Then, Wednesday. Wednesday Bahasa Melayu is what? Good. Rabu. R-A-Ra. B-U, bu. Rabu. Again, one more time we read. Ahad. Isnin. Selasa. Rabu. Good. After Rabu is, children, today is what day? Good job. Thursday. Thursday in Bahasa Melayu. Khamis. Khamis. Good. K-H-A. Kha. M-I-S. Miss. Kamis. Okay, one more time we read Ahad, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis. Okay, after that, after Thursday is what day is that? Friday. Very good. Friday bahasa Melayu Ju. Good job, children. Jumaat. Ju. Ma. At. Jumaat. Very good. Let's read one more time. Ahad, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat. And then the last day is Saturday. Good job. And how about in Bahasa Melayu? Sabtu. Sabtu. SAB. Sab. TU2. Sabtu. Okay. Ahad, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu. Okay. So first day is what? Ahad. Ahad, Isnin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumaat, Sabtu. Okay. Now let's open page number 42. Please make sure write the day and date. Okay. So now let's read the instruction together. Isikan huruf yang tertinggal. Lukis garisan untuk menyusun hari mengikut urutan yang betul. Kemudian, teka gambar yang terhasil dan tuliskan di tempat kosong. Okay, so first you should fill the blank. Okay, so the days are incomplete. They are not complete the days. You see, Ahad, but what is the letter is missing? A, isn't it? So you complete all the days. You see, all the days you should complete with the letter which is missed. Okay, after you complete the word, then you should trace the dot according to the sequence of the days. Okay, first is what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That is the sequence, right? Bahasa Melayu, how teacher teach? Ahad, Isnin. Oops. Children, you make sure draw. Okay, teacher draw the line according to the dots. Okay, teacher erase the wrong one. Okay, teacher draw the line by following the dot. Okay, after Ahad is what? Yes, Isnin. Okay, Isnin, Selasa. Yes, after Isnin is Selasa. After Selasa is what? Yes, Rabu. Is it teacher go and draw to the here Sabtu? After Selasa is Sabtu? No. So it's wrong. So it's not, you not follow the sequence. So it's wrong. Cannot. Okay. So after you trace already, then anybody can guess what is the pictures that? Anybody can guess what object is this? Umbrella. Very good. But children, what we call umbrella in Bahasa Melayu? What we call payung. Sit together. Payung. Payung is what? Umbrella. Okay, one more time. Payung is what? Yes, umbrella. Good job, children. Okay, so now teacher want to remind the today's task. First, your textbook, you should finish page number 10. Children, trace the correct answer only. And then number 2 is your activity book, page number 32. After that, your worksheet, page number 32. And children, please help teacher to write the word inside the box. Can? Thank you, children. And then next is your Linus, page number 42. After that, your homework book, page number 31 and 32. Okay, that's all your today's homework. Thank you, children. So make sure finish your homework neatly with good handwriting. And children, please color the drawing which nicely. Don't color over the line. Next, drink more water because today's weather not good and today's condition also not good. So drink more water and be safe. Okay, and eat more healthy to be healthy. After that, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye, children. See you soon.